In this video, I'm going to show you how to find low competition keywords with high search volume for YouTube videos for any given topic that you're going to create a video about. It's a new technique called seed to tree technique. It's step by step, easy to follow, and it works all the time. Just give me a few minutes of your time to walk you through this technique step by step so you can create videos that rank high on YouTube search so that you get all those views. When you are a small channel, the only way to get views is if your video rank in search result. That's why you should master keyword research for YouTube first. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the skill set to find a list of keyword phrases that 1. They are 100% relevant to your topic. 2. A lot of people search those keyword phrases on YouTube. In other words, they have high search volume. And 3. There are not much videos created and optimized for those keyword phrases. In other words, they have low competition. I'm Wahid, the founder of Best and Simple. This channel is all about getting you more views on your YouTube videos. If that sounds interesting to you guys, go ahead and subscribe now to start your journey to get millions of views on your YouTube videos. Let's jump into it. First, open a spreadsheet and then on the first row, type in step 0 through step 4 in each column. And then name each step like this: topic, layer 1 keywords, layer 2 keyword phrases, layer 3 keyword phrases, and layer 4 keyword phrases. Don't worry, I'm going to explain everything in a little bit. First, I want you to have a structure and easy to follow keyword research process. Let's start. Step 0. Know your topic and be clear about it. Imagine your friend asks about the topic of your video. See how concise you can reply that. The more specific and clear your topic is, the more effective keyword research you can do. A quick tip here: topic and title of your video are not necessarily same things. Even though there should be 100% relevance between your topic and the title, but they can have absolutely different wordings. And one of the goals of keyword research is to find the wordings of your title. Let's do the step 0 for my video together. Let's open our spreadsheet and write down the topic of our video in step 0. The topic of this video you're watching right now is keyword research for YouTube. See how different the title of my video is from my topic, but still they are 100% relevant. You got the idea. Step 1. Know your seed keyword, also known as layer 1 keyword. What is the seed keyword and how you can figure it out? There is an easy trick to find your seed keyword. If you want to tell the topic of your video to your friend in just one single word, what that word would be. At this point, don't worry if your seed keyword is too broad or generic. We are gonna break it down and go more specific in next steps. Let's do the step 1 for this video. If I want to tell the topic of my video in just one word, I would go for the word keyword. Keyword is my seed keyword. Let's practice. Tell me in the comment section below what the seed keyword of your next video is. Now that you know your seed keyword, let's go to step 2. Open your internet browser in incognito mode and then go to YouTube homepage. Step 2 itself has 4 sub-steps. Step 2.1. Type in your seed keyword in YouTube search bar. The YouTube search bar prediction feature, also known as autocomplete or autosuggest, is going to give you a few keyword phrases. Write down those keyword phrases that are relevant to your topic under layer 2 keywords in your spreadsheet. Step 2.2. Go back to YouTube search bar and this time type in a space and asterisk after your seed keyword. And then write down those keyword phrases that are relevant to your topic in a spreadsheet under layer 2 keywords. Asterisk is a wildcard character which can match any character or sequence of characters in a search. Step 2.3. Go back to YouTube search bar and this time type in an asterisk and a space before your seed keyword. Again, add all suggested relevant keyword phrases to your spreadsheet under layer 2 keywords. Step 2.4. Again, go back to YouTube search bar and this time start typing all letters of alphabet one by one before and after of your seed keyword, and then add all relevant keyword phrases to your spreadsheet under layer 2 keywords. all these keyword phrases you came up in this step are called layer 2 keyword phrases. They are all derived from your seed keyword or our layer 1 keyword. Step 3. Repeat step 2 for each of the layer 2 keyword phrases. These are going to be your layer 3 keyword phrases. Step 4. Repeat step 2 for each of the layer 3 keyword phrases. These are going to be your layer 4 keyword phrases. Usually layer 3 or 4 keyword phrases should be the long tail, very specific keyword phrases. And by typing in your layer 3 or 4 keyword phrases in YouTube search bar, YouTube is not going to give you any more suggestions. Step 5. Sometimes you may have more than one seed keyword for your topic. What I mean is that sometimes different words can represent your topic. For my case, another seed keyword that I can think of for my topic is the word rank. Then you gotta repeat step 2 to 4 for your other seed keywords. Step 6. I know it's a tedious process, but by the end of step 5, you will have the complete list of all long tail keyword phrases that people search actively on YouTube to find videos around your topic. Step 7. Now the question is which keyword phrase you should target. You want to pick the one has the highest search volume, at the same time lowest competition, so you have a chance to rank high in search. That's where you need a keyword research tool. Any keyword research tool works as long as it measures search volume and competition of a given keyword phrase. I personally like to use TubeBuddy because it gives you an overall score based on the search volume and competition of a keyword phrase. TubeBuddy is a YouTube keyword research tool which you can download it through the link in the description box below. You can use the free version for the purpose of this video, but if you want more accurate score based on your channel size and authority, you can get the paid version as low as $3.60 a month if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. This deal is going on at the time I'm recording this video. Make sure you get this deal before it ends. The download link is in the description box below. After installing TubeBuddy, go to Keyword Explorer and start putting one by one all long tail keyword phrases listed in the last layer of your keyword discovery phase. For now, just focus on the overall score in weighted tab if you use the paid version, or unweighted tab if you use the free version. The keyword phrase with the highest score is gonna be your target keyword phrase. Step 8. The long tail keyword phrase with the highest overall score is gonna be the title of your video. Step 9. Pick the top 5 highest score keyword phrases listed in the last keyword layer and use them in your description box in a natural language. Try to use the target keyword phrase, the one with the highest score, at the beginning of your description box, because if YouTube can make a snippet of it, then YouTube is going to rank your video higher. Because if you notice, when searching for any keyword phrase on YouTube, the top results usually have the snippet of their description bolding the keywords have been searched. Doing this is going to give you better chance for ranking higher. Step 10. Use your target keyword phrase at least few times in your video, because YouTube is going to transcribe your video and use it to understand what your video is about. I discovered this by accident. Once I recorded a video and after the fact I realized that there was no search volume for that topic. Then I decided to title my video with something that had search volume. But the title was not 100% relevant to the content of my video. I optimized my video metadata around that keyword phrase that had search volume. The result was mind-blowing. I tried to search my video by using that keyword phrase that I optimized all my metadata like title, description, tags. I was not ranking at all. I scrolled the top 500 videos, but my video had no rank whatsoever for that keyword phrase. Then I said, let's search my video with the actual topic and keyword phrases that I used few times in my video. Yes, I was ranking number 2. I learned a big lesson. You can't deceive YouTube. I believe when it comes to ranking search, YouTube gives the highest weight to keywords are used in your actual video more than what you use in your metadata. Since then, I do my keyword research before I record my video. so I know what keyword phrases to use in my video. Step 11. According to YouTube, tags play a minimal role in your video's discovery. But YouTube is a game of marginal gain. A slightly better optimization can make your video fly above thousands of videos and land ahead of your competitors, which makes your video get more views. To find and add proper tags to your video, there are a few ways. 1. You can go to TubeBuddy, Keyword Explorer, and then type in your target keyword phrase. Then go to the Comment Tags tab and use those with the highest relevance to your topic. The other way is to go to your video's detail under YouTube Studio. Then go to Recommended Tags box provided by TubeBuddy extension. Then select Sort by Keyword Score, and then add those tags to your video tag box. Use tags that you have high overall score, not those that it's hard to rank. Otherwise, you're wasting tag box limited space with tags you won't rank for. And now, few bonus tips for you guys. Tip number 1. You want to optimize your video only around the target keyword phrase that has the highest overall score. You gotta go all in with that target keyword phrase, because there is no point to include other keyword phrases that have low score because you're not gonna rank for them, especially when you're a small channel. So why bother and waste the limited space you have for your title, description, and tags box? But if you want to rank for multiple keyword phrases, then only include those keyword phrases that still have high score, not those that you have no chance to rank. Tip number 2. In the keyword research process, I just want to remind you that you are not looking to create any keyword phrases. Instead, you are going to discover and find keyword phrases that are searched by people. Tip number 3. When optimizing your video, always have in mind that you want to help YouTube to put your video in front of right audience who wants to watch your video till the end. You don't want just get more views, you want more retention and watch time. Otherwise, you shoot yourself in the foot. If people click through your video and then click off immediately, YouTube is gonna de-rank your video badly. You want to optimize for more retention and watch time, not solely for more views. Tip number 4. The algorithm YouTube uses to rank your video in the first 48 hours of uploading is different from the one they use after 48 hours. After 48 hours, the video performance like retention and engagement plays significant role in ranking, whereas in the first 48 hours, your video metadata plays more important role. Now that you know how to do keyword research for YouTube, your video is gonna rank high in search. But as I said earlier, after 48 hours of uploading, YouTube is gonna look at other factors like engagement and retention to keep your ranking. To have high retention and have people watch your video till the end, you gotta have an easy to follow content structure for your videos. Watch this video on the screen to learn about the best content structure for videos that makes people watch your video till the end. Wish you millions of views on your videos. You can do it.